Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we're gonna give the Camaro its first wash since we purchased it. And then I'm gonna announce some really cool thing to come for the car, guys. I just ordered a set of Mickey Thompson ET Street SS for the Camaro. And the reason why I ordered them is because, well, the Hellcat Red Eye has the same set of tires and they hook really, really well. If you remember, we took this Hellcat Red Eye to America versus the World in Maryland. We drove it from Buffalo to Maryland, raced and drove back, even encountering a rain, and didn't have any issue whatsoever. The car hooked pretty well. The fastest time it was able to put was 11.1, which is really good for a Hellcat Red Eye. I mean, I heard it is capable of doing more, but we were very impressed with the time. So I just ordered the exact same set of tires for the Camaro SS. So a set of Mickey Thompson ET Street SS is coming, and the other thing is I ordered a set of exhaust for the car, Borla Attack catback exhaust for this car. As you know, this car is very, very quiet, and I don't like it. I'm gonna try to start it right now so you can hear it. It's very, very quiet for my taste. So let's try to start it. You can hear how quiet it is. I mean, a sports car shouldn't be this quiet. I mean, it's not that quiet, but it's quiet for my taste compared to the Hellcat. Let's start the Hellcat and here. I mean, it's not, it's not apple to apple comparison here, but let's just start the Hellcat and then here the Hellcat. You don't need any aftermarket exhaust for this. You hear the difference? You heard the difference, guy? I mean, this thing turned on like a tank. So I need my Camaro also to be this loud, if not louder. That's why I looked around, and it seems to me like the best option when it comes to exhaust system is the Borla Attack. So we just ordered ourselves a set of Borla Attack exhaust, and yeah, it's gonna be here soon, and then I'm gonna film the installation. One second, let me just turn this off. Okay, I'm gonna film the installation video and then test it. So we have two mods coming for the Camaro SS, the Pro Charge Camaro SS. So that's it for today upload, guys. I just finished washing her. She looks really nice and clean, ready for the track tonight. And after the track, I will wash her again. The next maintenance item or maintenance video I will do on this car will be a 7-year ceramic coating on the car and some PPF on sensitive area. And then after that, the next maintenance item or service will be to change the oil of the engine and to change the oil of the supercharger. So that's the next maintenance item on the car. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. And guys, a lot of you guys watch this video and are not subscribed, so please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and also go follow my Instagram page. You can look up Elvis Car Reviews or Elvis Auto Vlog. They both will lead to my Instagram page. As of this video, I have about 15,000 subscribers on Instagram, so you'll make sure you'll see it's the same profile picture than I have on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram page, to my YouTube channel, and give me suggestion of the type of videos you would like to see with this Camaro, or what type of car you'd like me to race. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next upload.